Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to the Dollar Tree. I'm actually here right now, if you can see behind me. I wanted to go check out their fall decor section and see if they have any new stuff since the last time I came. And I might grab a couple of them, I'm not sure yet, but I figured I would bring you guys along with me. So let's go see what they have. So right whenever I opened the door, the first thing that hit me was all of their Halloween supplies and decorations and all kinds of stuff for Halloween. Like if you're having a Halloween party or something, this is where you need to go because they have necklaces, they have rings, little like party favor stuff, decorations. They have all kinds of stuff for Halloween. These were really cute, these little pumpkin decorating kits. So instead of like actually carving it out, you can just stick them in the pumpkin, or some of them are stickers. And they have little LED lights that you can put inside the pumpkin instead of candles. Here's their small little fall section. They did have some really cute stuff still, but I think a lot of the stuff was still in boxes. So I'll have to go back and see if they put anything else out. I really liked this. This is really cute to me. It's a little chalkboard so you can write what you're thankful for on it. And one of the main reasons why I came to Dollar Tree today is to get artificial flowers so that I can make a fall wreath. And as you can see, there's not that many flowers to choose from, but I made it work. And also for Halloween, if you are one that buys a lot of candy to give out to trick-or-treaters, Dollar Tree is where it's at because look at all this candy and it's all for $1. And they have little costumes and stuff. I did not expect that, but they have little accessories and stuff like that for costumes. Y'all, they already have some Christmas stuff out. How insane is that? It's a little tiny section, but they're starting it early. Now looking back, I should have gotten this thing. Look how cute this little thankful and blessed sign is. For $1. For $1. Like that would be probably like at least $10 at like Hobby Lobby or something like that. And here's where I found the wreath form that I used for my fall wreath. They had a couple different sizes, but I got the biggest one that they had, and it's still pretty small. But I mean, for $1, you can't beat it. Alright guys, so I just got back from Dollar Tree and I figured I would do a little haul for you guys and show you what I got. I didn't get too much, but it's still worth sharing, I think. So the first thing I got is this wreath form thing. It says willow wreath. Is it not gonna? Okay, willow wreath. So I'm hoping I can just stick some artificial flowers in here and make a pretty fall wreath. I'll do a video on that too. And here I got all these pretty fall looking flowers. Hopefully it'll turn out good. I'm not sure how it's gonna work with this, but I figured I'll try it. I'll try it in a separate video and I'll show you guys how it turned out, if it turned out at all. So I got these pretty white, creamy kind of colors. These are all, they all say chrysanthemums. And then I got this kind of orangey color. I also found these, and I wish I could have found more of these. They have this like burlap looking thing on top. And I love this, but this was the only stock that I could find of this one. Then I got, oh, did I get two? I guess I got two of this. Well, no, they're a little different, I think. They look a little bit different, but they're about the same color. And then I got this dark red color, which I love. So pretty. So I'm excited for this. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can see if this wreath turned out good or not. I also got these wire cutters for the wreath, and we needed some batteries, and I don't know if these are any good, but I figured I'd try them anyway. So I just got a pack of AA and a pack of AAA batteries, and that's all I got. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!